Welcome to another session. We are going to prepare the shoulder padding with bias cut lining material or polyester. Cover the shoulder pad and secure it with ball pins. Fold the excess fabric into a dust on top and secure with ball pins again. These are the shoulder pads. We will overlock the sides with machine. We will start making the belt now. Trace the belt shape on the inner lining and cut it out. Iron on the hard inner lining onto the belt material. Place the draft on the material and cut it out with 1 cm allowance for all sides. The material used is slightly soft. We will use starch spray to make the material harder and easier to manipulate. You can skip this step if you can handle the material you choose. Iron the inner lining on the belt's material and sew 3 of the sides, leaving the bottom unsewn. Cut the extra allowance away and leave ½ cm for all sides. Use iron to fold the allowance inwards. Fold it over and press iron again. Iron top and the bottom. Trim extra allowance away and remain ½ cm. Tuck the allowance in and press iron. Sew a white running stitch to secure the side and top stitch around the belt. Finally, sew a buckle at the back with double thread.